Yes, today we are going to cook this meal. It is called chadwa. I don't know how it is called in English. Okay, it is maize flour. Today we are going to cook maize flour. Yeah, it is cassava flour. Sorry, cassava flour. So we first put in our onions in the saucepan. Put some little salt. We're going to have it with salads, just like you're going to see in this video. Then that is the cassava flour. Cassava is dried, then pounded into flour. So our process has started. Okay, yeah. That water, it is hot. We are using hot water to make it come out good. Yeah, adding water, you have to make sure that you put enough water in the flour that you're going to mingle. So that is how it has looked in the process. It will turn to brown. I put in onions because onions bring in that good smell. After it is done, then it is put on the plate. This is our salads. Cutting tomatoes into small pieces and putting in onions. Yeah, we call it salads or kachumbari. It's what we are going to have with cassava flour. Then put in salt, some little salt. Then you have to stir then so that they mix together, onions plus tomatoes. So that is how it has come out. Then it's supper, it's lunch time. Then giving out, have to give out to the kids so that they enjoy the meal. They liked it, and this was actually not the first time they are eating it. Playing before eating, it's what we do this side. One takes us in the player, then we all play. That is how it looks like. It is a little bit sticky. It might remain on your hands, but okay, it is good. It is very delicious. Very, very delicious. They liked it. They liked the way it was cooked. It was so nice. It was so nice. That is me when I'm tasting it. Wow.